Everyone, welcome to Inside the AI. I'm your host, the Data Doc, and today I'm going to show you how to create hundreds of leads in under seconds using n8n. I have right here a spreadsheet with the leads I just scraped. And what I did was I leveraged these 4 nodes here to scrape leads from Apollo, filter those leads, and then publish them to an Excel. The next step I would do is email those leads and start generating some conversations so that I can generate some revenue. So, if you want to generate hundreds of leads daily, follow this video, like and subscribe, and join my school community where I give you these JSONs completely free. I'm the Data Doc. Stay tuned for a step-by-step guide of how to implement this. So the first thing you need to do to implement this is have your nodes set up. So these are the 4 nodes you need to do. We have an HTTP node, and this node is going to connect Apify. And if you don't know what Apify is, it's a site where multiple scrapers are. So if you're interested in Apify, I have another video that walks you through step by step of what Apify is. I'll link that in the description above. If you're in the Apify store, what you want to type is Apollo lead scraper. Scrapes up to 50K leads. And what this is, it's a free version. So you can use this on the free account and it will charge you $1.20 for 1,000 leads. So it is a pay as you go lead generator and you get $5 of free monthly credits. So what that means is you can generate up to $5 or 4,000 leads completely free every month using this step. So what you need to do is first go to the Apollo website. So when you go to this website, you will be at the home page. And there's a lot of data in this, so the website goes slow. So the first thing you want to do is go into the people page right here on the left. And then you want to fill in the filters. So what I'm going to do is first filter by email status as verified. So these are going to get you emails that they know are verified. If you do unverified, you don't know what you're getting. Then you want to filter by job title. You have HR executives, CEOs. You can target specific people in the industry. Then you want to go to the location. I'm going to do Tampa. And then you can do another one. So I may do so then I'm going to do by the location. I'm going to go by Tampa and Atlanta. And then I want to add some keywords. These keywords are going to be words that I want to put in so it can filter based off that. So then what you want to do is filter off of keywords. So I put the industry and keywords. I put cyber, technology, and marketing. Those are some areas that I can target. And then the rest I kind of leave alone. And what I want to do is copy this. And I'm going to paste this into the Apollo scraper right here. So once I've pasted that URL here, I need to go into integrations, go down to the bottom and use an API endpoint. And I need to go down to the third one, which is get data sets. So you run synchronization and data sets. Copy my API key. I will paste that URL into the URL section here. And once I do that, I can exit out. So now if I hit test workflow, this will run. And what's happening is this HTTP is going to call in the Apify website. This Apify website is going to pass the information to Apollo. Apollo is going to scrape all of those leads. And I'm talking because it's going to take a while because it's going to give me a lot of information. And what I do want to mention is that, remember how we mentioned you have $5 of credit. So what this will do is it will pull up to the $5 and then it will stop. So then you could use your $5 for that month and then you could move on to the next month and you can wait to the next month. So pull your leads, work on those leads, try to land you a contract, move on to the next month and pull more leads in. So now that's passed through 100. It's been filtered out. It's taken out 8 of the workflows that didn't have any emails. 92 of those have been passed through the edits field. And what that does is it restructures the data coming in. So basically, what I'm doing from this, so you can understand what this is going to do, is there's areas within this data that's been pulled in, such as the company information, that has a lot of information in it, but you can't do anything with it. So what I did was I parsed that out. And then all of this is going to be passed through to my Google Sheets. So where I had 100 leads last time, now I have over 185 leads. So I can run this every month. Then I can create a workflow to send them emails. So stay tuned for my next video where I'm going to walk you through step by step of how to do this and then expand on it. To send emails, custom emails with videos, so that you can start generating meetings and one-on-ones with these individuals. So if you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, join my school community where you can download this JSON and many other ones for free. I'm the Data Doc. I appreciate your time. Bye-bye.